Class 10th Biology, chapter number 8, that is circulatory system. In this, let us start with blood vessels. So blood vessels are of three types, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. So arteries are wide blood vessels which carry blood from heart to different organs of the body. They are thick muscularized, or they have thick muscularized and elastic wall and narrow lumen. That means the central position is very narrow without valve, and the blood flows under pressure with jerks. So note my words, all arteries except pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. I repeat, all arteries except pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. And arteries divide into arterioles, that is branches, and then again these branches, that is arterioles, divides to form dense network of capillaries. Is it alright? Now let us start the next topic, that is vein. So veins carry blood from different organ to the heart, and they have thin, less muscularized wall with wide lumen. Is it alright? And they have valves in it. Is it alright? Now regarding capillaries, is it alright? Capillaries are simply the branches of, or dense branches of arterioles. Is it alright? And the walls of capillaries consist of single layered squamous epithelial endothelium, and it allows downward and outward diffusion of various substances like glucose, amino acid, urea, and it also allows inward diffusion of carbon dioxide, and also it allows dipedesis, that is squeezing out of WBCs from the thin capillary walls. Is it alright? The differences you have to study. Now regarding lymphatic system, first of all let us know what is lymph. So lymph is a light yellow fluid in lymphatic vessels, and these are extracellular fluids. Like we have circulatory system, so we have lymph systems also. So lymph is a fluid connective tissue, or a blood without RBC and platelets. Is it alright? And we have different nodes and lymphatic organs like spleen. Is it alright? Etc. Now let us understand what is blood grouping. Is it alright? So Karl Landsteiner in 1900 discovered blood grouping in human beings. Is it alright? On the surface of RBC he found specific chemicals, that is antigens of a specific group, that is A, B, AB, and if there was no antigen he named it as O group. So presence or absence of this antigen only determines the blood group of the person. Is it alright? And regarding blood transfusion, and in this O is known as universal donor, whereas AB is known as universal recipient, because AB can accept any other blood group, but O can donate it to A also, B also, AB also, and O also. Is it alright? Now regarding significance of hepatic portal system, liver is the center of the most metabolic process and absorb nutrition or nutrients from the digestive tract. Excessive amount of glucose is converted and stored as glycogen in liver. Excess amino acids are broken down through process of deamination. It helps in neutralizing the toxic substances. It helps in drainage of veins from pancreas and spleen. Is it alright? With this we come to an end of the chapter, and regarding all those aspects which we have seen so far, I'll be sending you the notes, you don't worry, in the handwritten form, and thus go through it and get your doubts and other difficulties clarified. And if you are still facing doubt, you can ask on WhatsApp group which is there. Is it alright? So till here you will be getting in your exams. Is it alright? And prepare accordingly. Thank you.